proboscis is an elongated appendage from the head of an animal, either a vertebrate or an invertebrate. In invertebrates, the term usually refers to tubular mouthparts used for feeding and sucking. In vertebrates, the term is used to describe an elongated nose or snout. Etymology, first attested in English in 1609 from Latin proboscis, the Latinization of the Greek I euro II squared II florin II, which comes from I euro IIO fourth, forward, before plus I squared IOI florin II per mil, to feed, to nourish. The plural is derived from the Greek as proboscides, but in English the plural form proboscis occurs frequently. Invertebrates, the most common usage is to refer to the tubular feeding and sucking organ of certain invertebrates such as insects, worms and gastropod mollusks. Lepidoptera mouthparts. The mouthparts of Lepidoptera mainly consist of the sucking kind. This part is known as the proboscis or horstolum. The proboscis consists of two tubes held together by hooks and separable for cleaning. The proboscis contains muscles for operating. Each tube is inwardly concave, thus forming a central tube up which moisture is sucked. Suction takes place due to the contraction and expansion of a sac in the head. A few Lepidoptera species lack mouthparts and therefore do not feed in the imago. Others, such as the family Micropterigidae, have mouthparts of the chewing kind. The study of insect mouthparts was helpful for the understanding of the functional mechanism of the proboscis of butterflies to elucidate the evolution of new form function. The study of the proboscis of butterflies revealed surprising examples of adaptations to different kinds of fluid food, like nectar, plant sap, tree sap, dung for example, and of adaptations to the use of pollen as complementary food at a genus of neotropic butterflies. An extreme long proboscis appears within different groups of flower-visiting insects, but is relatively rare. Gastropods, vertebrates, the elephant's trunk and the tapir's elongated nose are called proboscis, as is the snout of the male elephant seal. The proboscis monkey is named for its enormous nose, and an elongated human nose is sometimes facetiously called a proboscis. An abnormal facial appendage that sometimes accompanies ocular and nasal abnormalities in humans is also called a proboscis. Notable mammals with some form of proboscis are aardvark, anthica, members of the elephant family. Elephant shrews, Hispaniolon solenodon, echidna, elephant seal, Leptictidium, Macrauchenia, Moeritherium, pallor chests, numbat, proboscis monkey, saga, Tapiridae, see also, snout, references. Image